Good morning, engineering buddies. No? So here we go again another day, another set of tutorials here, engineering mathematics. So differential calculus pa din. Ayan. Sige. So problem number 11 tayo. Continue lang natin to. So mga natitirang problems natin on derivative of function. So find the derivative of arc cosine 4x with respect to x. So madali lang naman to. Nandaan lang natin na ang derivative ng arc cosine u is given with the formula negative du all over square root ng 1 minus u squared. So, dito, ang nakalagay dito, respect to x. So, derivative ng arc cosine 4x with respect to x is just negative du. So, ano ba u natin dyan? 4x. So, du nan is 4. So, negative 4 all over square root nung 1 minus 4x squared. So, dito naman sa choices, hindi naman na-expand to. So, ang sagot dito ay I think letter C. Letter D. Ito, letter D to ha. Negative 4 all over 4x. Ano? Parang mali. Hindi pala. 1 minus 4x squared. One minus 4x. Ito dapat, letter C. Letter C pa dapat may negative dito. Okay? Sige. So, letter C. Okay? So, sige. Madali lang naman siya. So, next problem. Find the second derivative of y is equal to x squared at x is equal to 2. Negative pala. X is equal to negative. Okay. So, rewrite natin y is just x is equal to negative 2. So, paano ba yan? So, ganun pa rin naman. Y prime. First derivative is just negative 2x, negative 3. Okay? So, y double prime. 6x, negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. So, yan na yun. Ang sabi pa dito, y double prime daw at x equal to 2. So, substitute mo. 6, 2 raised to negative 4. So, calculate nyo na lang. Ang lalabas dyan ay 0.375. So, sige, try natin kung gumagana pa yung calculator natin here. 6, 2, saan yung raise dito? Negative 3, negative 4. And 0.375. So, yun yung sagot natin. Guys, ulitin ko yung mga gatong problem kapag may na-encounter kayo sa board exam, pamigay na. So, dapat hindi tayo magkakamali dito. Okay? So, problem number 12. Next. I believe last problem na to for the derivative of a function. So, problem number 13. Find the point in the parabola y squared is equal to 4x. At which the rate of the change of the ordinate and abscissa are equal. Okay, so hindi na pala siya derivative of function. Introduction na siya sa next topic natin. Ano ba ang next topic pala muna natin? Isama ko na dito. Next topic is slope of the curve, rate of change, and curvature. Guys, kung napanood nyo yung una kong video, yung parang introduction ko to differential calculus, we all know that the derivative of function, yung mismong general formula niya or mathematical definition niya is just come from the definition of slope. Rise over run, okay, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, it just from the slope. Kasi alam na naman natin lahat na ang first derivative ay ang slope of the curve. Ito, the slope of the curve y is equal to x at any point is identical to the derivative of the function. So ang slope at any point is equal to the first derivative. Okay, yan ang pinakatatandaan natin. Rate of change is identical, and the derivative of the function is identical to its rate of change. Thus, the rate of change to of the volume of a sphere with respect to its radius is derivative of the volume with respect to its radius. Okay? So then ito, explain ko na lang kapag nandun na tayo sa problem. So dito muna tayo sa slope of the curve. So slope at any point is just the first derivative. Okay? So sige, introduce na natin dito. So problem number 13. Find the point in the parabola at which the rate of change of the ordinate and abscissa are equal. So yung rate of change na tinutukoy dito is dy over dx. Yun yung rate of change. So, given natin yung given yung y squared is equal to 4x. Kunin lang natin yung first derivative. So, 2y, y prime, balikan natin yung implicit. 2y, y prime is just equal to 4. Okay? Pero sabi dito, ang rate of change daw ng ordinate abscissa are equal. Find the point in which the parabola y squared is equal to 4, at which the rate of the ordinate, which the rate of change of the ordinate and abscissa are equal. Okay. So, dito, masasabi natin, based sa statement na yung dy all over dx, which is the rate of change, just equal to 1. Kasi pareho lang naman sila eh. Pareho lang naman yung rate of change ng ordinate tsaka ng abscissa. Okay, so isubstitute lang natin. Kung 1 yung y prime, di bali dito, so 2y, 1 is equal to 4. So, y is just equal to 2. Kung y is equal to 2, balikan natin yung unang statement na y squared is equal to 4x. So, 2 squared is equal to 4x. So, thus, x is equal to 2. Ang tinatanong, find the point. So, yung points is just 1, 2. So, yun yung sagot natin, guys. Okay? Yan. So, huwag kayo mag-alala. Meron pa tayong mga problems ito kasi ito ay introduction lang naman dun sa next nating topic. Okay? Yan. So, that will conclude our tutorial in derivative of a function. So, differential calculus pa rin naman tayo. Pero next na natin is slope of the curve, rate of change, and the curvature. Okay? So, yeah. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my TikTok, Mr. C. And yeah. So, for more questions, pwede naman kayong mag-comment or magtanong directly din sa TikTok ko. So yeah, for more tutorials, please like and subscribe. So happy keep watching, happy learning, and Padang Engineers.